SmartDraw includes thousands of built-in symbols, but when you need something truly custom, you can create your own. Import images for your product catalog, draw custom shapes from scratch, and organize everything into shared libraries your entire team can use. With SmartDraw, you can turn your real products into reusable, data-rich symbols. You can import your product images, set their scale, and even add shape data. This lets you create a custom library anyone on your team can use. This is perfect for construction, security layouts, facilities planning, and professional proposals and estimates. You can also create custom shapes directly inside SmartDraw using built-in drawing tools. Use polygon lines or connect straight and curved segments to create precise, editable shapes. Once a shape is created, you can adjust individual sides and angles, change colors, fills, and outlines, and resize and rotate your symbol like any built-in symbol. You can easily design custom furniture, landscape features, pools, equipment, or anything unique for your space. And then you can add these shapes to your own custom library to share with your team. To do this, click on More in the Symbols section of the Smart panel here on the left, and this will open the Symbol Libraries dialog. Click on Add New and select Add New Custom Library. In the dialog window that appears, type the name of your custom library and click OK to save it. If you have a SmartDraw site license, you can choose to share any custom library you create with anyone on your license. Check Allow use by anyone in my organization to share your custom library with your team members. Your custom library will now open in the Smart panel. You can drag and drop your custom symbols to add them to the library. As you add symbols, you'll be asked to name your symbol and choose how you want it to behave with theme colors. You can save pre-arranged table groupings for future event planning. Space planners can save custom cubicles and desk arrangements for their office layouts. Or you can import images of your own products. Before adding these elements to your custom libraries, you can set the scale of these objects, import logos, and add shape data to your symbols. All of these settings will be in place when your custom libraries are used by you or your team in the future. You can delete and update any symbols you add to this library at any time. You can also rename or delete the custom library from the More menu in the Symbol Libraries dialog. If you shared your custom library with your team, it will be under Shared Symbols. If you didn't share your library with your organization or don't have a site license, the custom library will be under My Custom Symbols.